Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to block someone on Splitwise. Now, the first thing I want you to do is locate that person you want to block. This can be either in the group or you can click here on friends and you'll find them on your friends list. So I have this one friend right here. Just go ahead and select on that friend you want to block. And then what I want you to do is come here at the top right. You will see this gear cog. Okay, this will take you to settings for this person. So I'll click on settings, and now here under manage relationship, you can see we have an option that says block user. And once we click on this, this will automatically remove this user from our friends list. It will hide any groups we share and suppress future expenses or notifications from them. So just tap on block user. It'll give you this pop up and they will not be notified about the block. Just click here on block and there you go. This person, as you can see, has been blocked. So that is how you block someone on Splitwise.